How to get Tinder promo gold code. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can get Tinder promo gold code very frequently and easy. So let's watch this video till the end. But before watching, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your browser. After opening up your browser, you just need to simply search for UFO coupons. You may just open up any of the browser and search for UFO coupons, which is easily available. Simply tap on the very first link and wait for it to open and search for codes and you'll be able to see a search bar here. So just simply tap on Tinder. Type in Tinder here. Just simply type in Tinder and tap on go. And here you can see the Tinder gold coupon, which is free. Simply tap on it. And here you can see this code is only 10 days left and there are 856 code left. So what you need to do is simply tap on this show code option and you get a free Tinder gold coupon. So you just need to tap on unlock code. After that, you'll be receiving a code which you will be using in the Tinder app, and that's how you basically get free Tinder gold coupons very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.